guys, it's Jaleesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something very different than what I normally do. You guys have seen me do faux locks all the time, but this time I wanted to do it the easy way. So I got these crochet locks and they were so easy to do from start to finish, about 2 to 3 hours, including the braid down. So these are the faux locks I'll be using. These are from Bobbi and they're the Cali locks in the color T1B27 and also in the color T427 613. So this is what they look like. They're ombre, and you're just gonna need a crochet needle as well to do this. So here's the loop, and this is where we'll be sticking the needle through. So as you can see, I pull the needle through the bottom, and then I'm gonna add the crochet loop right into that hook and then close the hook. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull down. And there's a much easier way to do this, but this is the way I ended up doing it. I just took the end and stuck it through the loop and then pulled it so it was secure. I've seen some other maneuvers watching crochet videos, and so now I know a better method to get the hair through the loop, but this worked for me through my whole head. Like I said, it took me about 2-3 hours total, so it could be faster, but 2-3 hours isn't bad. So I'll show you again more detailed. Coming in through the bottom, you're gonna go ahead and add your loop and then pull it through the bottom. And then stick the end through the loop and then tighten. Super simple. I like to do these about maybe a 1/2 inch apart. Now, I used 2 packs. That was a disaster. You're gonna need at least 3 to 4 packs to do a full head. I ended up doing half up, half down for the week, so you could not tell that I was missing. But if you want to be able to wear your hair down and you want to be able to, you know, be free flowing, yeah, you're gonna need 3 to 4, definitely 3 to 4 packs. So I'm just gonna do this all around my head. I know some people who do some individuals in the front, looks more natural sometimes, but like I said, I wanted this to just be a fast, protective style, and I was gonna wear it half up, half down anyway, so there was no need for individuals in the front. You can see me working through the back here. I just stick the needle through the braid since it's a nice big chunky braid, and then repeat the same steps that I've been doing. So now that I have the 2 packs installed, I'm gonna go ahead and add some edge control gel. This is the best one I've ever used my whole life. It's the Kiss Edge Fixer, and it just works. I've never tried edge control that worked this well. So I'm just gonna do my edges, keep everything nice and sleek and smooth. And this is what the hair looks like when it's down. So as you can see, I can see why people like to do individuals in the front, because it does look a little bit more natural that way, but I don't think this looks bad either, to be honest. I've never done crochet before, and so I thought it would look strange, but it looks really good actually. Now, it doesn't look like the way I do my faux locks by hand, but those also take about 10 hours and they're hand crafted. Each one's very different. These are all very uniform. So I'm not used to the uniformity, but I think it looks really, really good. And it looked so good on a side part. I wore it on a side part for a date and it looked so good. So here I'm just showing you how I did my half up, half down, which is the easiest thing. I just leave a little bit on the sides down and then just pull the top into a ponytail. Literally the easiest thing in the world, but my favorite hairstyle. So I do it every time. And that is basically it. So this is what the hair looks like the way I wanted it styled, which, like I said, was half up, half down. And I think it looks really, really good. You can't tell that it's crochet. It looks like natural faux locks, except for the fact that, you know, like I said, they are very uniform, but that's part of what crochet is anyway, right? So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys have tried crochet, if you're gonna try it, I think it's a really great protective style. It lasted me for a week because I had to get on to film a different type of video, but it could have lasted so much longer. They look amazing and saved me so much time. So I thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.